Habak daw halor ka job jong ka NDA hak election assembly ha Bihar u president ke BJP Meghalaya u Rikman ji momin ula shimya ka jingmi kum ka basngotanan bat pen paw ka jingkman baka BJP kala kalolong ka party ka job bon e hapo ka kinhu ni trilang habak ran shaklar pthai khobor ha khat saw trek nei wiang u Rikman ula pen banadak baong ha u arja arpra ngin sa asha phi ka result kaban pynkyndit ha Meghalaya. Habakali halur ke jingla jong ka party banjob khambun ha ka jila ula penthikna da ka baong klempem haba u elki advani badu atal bihari wajpai udantang arngot house nam khakandais pa prabasa kumtaru ha u arjar arpra gidan arngot ki MLA ngila ban nangkiu shushu pat klem artatin pinyu iya kani ka jingkiu Klempem in your double digit ha arja arpra ha Meghalaya ong umomen. Ha kabayade baka jimpan kre ek election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC umomen ula ong baka party kala trishitam baka kamilinti baka nyo kambun tlikisid ha kanek election.
It's wonderful to see that the ND has come back, and especially I am very happy that our BJP has crossed a single largest party. In 2028, we will be giving you a very shocking result. Definitely, when Advaniji and our Bajpaiji, they were two during 1998. 84. So definitely by 2028, we have 2 MLA, we may increase it. Definitely you'll see the increasement. Definitely we will be getting the double figure. Whoever is there, wherever the form they are the part of NDA only. So that doesn't matter because they want to voice for the Northeast as a regional, so let them do it. But they are with us. And you have seen, today's I think I have seen that statement of our Chief Minister. He said he is with NDA. Definitely. When BJP is allying with a good party, regional party, that will benefit the BJP. And it has proved in Bihar. In which we are working hard. After a very long time, after 2 we may increase it. In fact, BJP, because Congress now it is clearly shown in Bihar that Congress is nowhere. They have only, I don't know, they may get 3 also. Now it's going up 3, so maybe now they are on the single digit, yeah.